Hi everyone, welcome back for Banjo Tip Tuesday. So if you're still working with Clawhammer and your right hand is feeling a little clumsy, I've got just the exercise you can use. So you can repeat these patterns over and over and over again so that you can start to build accuracy and confidence with your right hand, which is super important for grooving with Clawhammer. So here it is again a little bit slower. If you have your banjo, follow along. Remember, when you practice at home, keep it slow. It's not about speed yet, it's about getting accurate, even, and clean motion. Well, that's it. So let me know if this helped, and if you have any other questions about banjo-related things, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.